आज हम म्यूचुअल फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट सीरीज पार्ट 7 शुरू कर रहे हैं। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम पिछले 2 वीडियो से इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड की कैटेगरीज को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो जो नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी है दैट इज डिविडेंड यील्ड फंड। Dividend yield funds are the equity mutual funds. In this fund, minimum 65% corpus is invested in equity and equity-related instruments. What in this fund, companies are selected which are known to declare high dividends. The theme behind is that if a company declares dividend, it means the company is making good profit. Typically, a dividend yield fund invest around 70 to 80% of its corpus in the stocks that have high dividend yields than its benchmark. Next one is value funds. Value funds are also equity mutual funds. They invest under value investing strategy. Here they invest in the stocks that trade at a discount, means their intrinsic value is higher than the market price. The stocks of these companies are usually undervalued due to some temporary reasons, so this category is good for those investors whose investment horizon is more than 6 years. Next one is focus funds. In this category, minimum 65% corpus is invested in equity and equity-related instruments. The strategy to invest in this fund is focused to have a concentrated portfolio, not more than 30 stocks. The aim to select the best performing stocks that can deliver high return. In this category of mutual fund manager has no boundaries of market capitalization to select the stock. Next one is contra funds. Contra funds are also equity mutual funds where minimum 65% corpus is invested in equity and equity related instruments. But in this category, fund manager invest against the existing market trends and purchase stocks which are not performing well currently. The fund manager take a contrarian view in the stocks where it is shunned by the investors, and also when there is a superlative demands for the same. Next one is sectoral mutual funds or the thematic mutual funds. In this category, minimum 80% corpus is invested in stocks of a particular sector or theme. Specific sectors like infrastructure, banking, technology, PSU, pharma, service industry and FMCG, etc. This category of equity mutual fund just focus on one sector of the economy and miss the diversification across sectors. That's why this category is more risky and cyclical. Next one is ELSS funds, that is equity linked saving schemes, also called tax saving schemes. In this category of equity mutual funds, minimum 80% corpus is invested in stocks of the companies in accordance with ELSS 2005 notified by Ministry of Finance. In this category of mutual fund, investors seeks the opportunity to generate wealth, get tax saving benefits up to rupees 1,50,000 under section 80C and having lock-in period of 3 years, that is minimum as compared with all other tax saving instruments. And the gain for this scheme is also treated as a long-term capital gain. So friends, this is all about mutual fund and its categories. अभी तक हमने 7 वीडियोस में म्यूचुअल फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट को डिटेल्स में डिस्कस किया है, और जो हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियोस आएंगे उनके अंदर हम हर कैटेगरीज में टॉप 5 बेस्ट म्यूचुअल फंड को डिस्कस करेंगे। सो तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, बाय बाय, नमस्कार।